Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at how to start an online business in South Africa. South Africa's e-commerce market is estimated at just under 200 billion per annum. It's also a rapidly growing market, which means there are many opportunities for entrepreneurs to start online businesses. Starting an online business in South Africa has many advantages. The startup costs are generally a lot lower than opening a brick-and-mortar store, and online businesses give you the freedom to access a far wider market. As long as you know how to use technology to run your business, and you have a strong business plan, starting an online business presents many excellent opportunities. This video will cover some of the most important things to know about starting an online business in South Africa. Whether your business is online or not, business registration processes remain the same in South Africa. If you run a small sole proprietor business and your profits fall within a certain tax bracket, then you don't need to register your business with the CIP or SARS. However, if you want to run a larger scale operation, then you should register your online business. Registering a business can have various advantages. It separates your personal finances and assets from the business, which can help to protect you against personal liability. It can also come with tax benefits. Starting a successful online shop starts with having a great idea. First, you need to find the right products to sell. There should be a demand for your products, ideally with minimal competition. Once you have established what to sell, make sure that you understand the market and who your target customers are. Conducting thorough market research is essential for putting together a strong business plan. You will need to establish what your business model will look like. For online businesses, you could get into drop shipping, which means you won't have to manage inventory or fulfillment. If you want to make your own products or sell inventory that you manage, then you will need to figure out fulfillment and shipping methods. You will also need to have a plan for product packaging and inventory storage. Any online business will require a good website. This acts as your storefront. It's what customers experience before they make a purchase, and it's what represents your brand. Various e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify exist to help you put this together. Make sure your website offers a great experience for customers. Then you will need to have a marketing strategy to help you attract customers. The great thing about starting an online business is that there are many effective digital marketing solutions available. This includes strategies like email marketing, social media, SEO, running giveaways, referral campaigns, and more. To get things operating smoothly, you will have to implement technology in your online business. Understand what kinds of tech requirements you will need to cover processes like inventory management, shipping management, accepting online payments, marketing, customer communication, and more. Investing in the right tech tools is an important part of running an online business. All businesses in South Africa should have a valid trading license before they start selling. This applies to online and offline businesses. Having a business license is an important step toward making sure your business operates legally and legitimately. Online businesses in South Africa will still need to pay taxes. Be sure to add any relevant sales taxes to your products. You will also need to submit an annual income tax return to SARS for your personal income from the online business. It's best to discuss this with an experienced tax accountant, as tax implications can change based on different business structures, your revenue, and how your business operates. Selling online is one of the best ways to start a business. You can test out your products and step into your market without needing to invest in a physical store. You can also use your online store to expand your reach and sell across the country. As the world becomes more focused on online activities, e-commerce continues to grow in popularity. With the right business idea, you can start an online store in practically any sector and target customers across various markets and locations. Once you get it right, scaling up an online store is also much easier to do than a physical business. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.